I love vacuuming. It's so relaxing.
Daddy!
Hey, princess. What's up? You want help with your hair? Okay. This is trickier than it seems. Oops. I don't know how this works. But I know how a vacuum works. I'll put the hair tie on the nozzle. And you have a perfect ponytail.
Thanks, Daddy! Bye!
All in a day's work.
This is dumb. I wish I had new toys. I'm so bored.
Time for Daddy to fix things. Hey, kiddo. You okay?
Nope.
Wanna have some fun?
With tape?
Watch this. I'll stick the tape to the floor. And another strip here. Don't need this anymore. What do you think?
It's cool. What is it?
A racetrack. And I'm gonna win.
No way! I have the fastest car!
Ready? This'll be easy.
I can do this!
And they're off! Go! Come on!
No cheating!
It's close! Look out!
The train! I can't watch!
I think we'll make it!
Whoa!
Did you see that?
Wow! It was awesome! Let's do it again!
I love this game! Here are your bags, dear. Have a great trip. And this is for you. Seems easy enough. Missing you already. Bye. I never knew there was so much housework. But that's the kitchen clean. What's next? Gina's homework. Piece of cake. Now that's a pretty painting. I should do this for a living. What do you think, Gina?
Wow! Amazing!
Here you go. That's another thing off the list.
Thanks, Daddy!
No problem, sweetheart. Time for bed.
But I'm not sleepy.
So adorable. Close those eyes. That's my girl.
I can't sleep, Daddy.
Oh, I know. How about a nice story?
Yes, please.
Okay, are you cozy? Then I'll start. Once upon a time, there was a beautiful princess called Gina who loved avocado. She ate it every day.
Wow!
One day, an evil monster chased the avocado.
I'm scared, Daddy.
Oh, sorry. It's just a silly story. Don't worry. How about a lullaby?
Oh, that sounds nice.
Go to sleep, little girl. Rest your head.
I like this.
And rock out! Yeah!
Awesome, Dad! Woo!
Yeah! Check out this solo.
This is the best bedtime ever!
I'm a rock star. Rock and roll. Woo!
Yeah! Rock and roll!
What? No! Get back in bed!
But Dad…
Sorry. Daddy got carried away. You need to sleep. I guess this didn't work. Your mom would know what to do. Wait a minute. I've got it! Aw, my little sleeping beauty. Mommy's here. I'm a genius!
Okay, let's check that temperature. Oh, that's not good. You're a very sick boy. There's only one thing for it. Now this'll hurt. A lot. No! Stay away! Come on! Oh, hi!
How's my brave little boy?
Hey, Mom. I'm not feeling good. What's in the bag?
Just this orange.
An orange? Yuck! That's perfect! And I have these tablets. Gross. Okay, but we have medicine here. It's a hospital. And some candy.
That's more like it!
No! There's no candy allowed on the ward!
That seems a little harsh. Don't worry.
Thanks, Mom.
Okay, I'll be back later. Bye!
Now where were we? No! Don't come any closer! Ah!
Open wide!
Go to your happy place. It's okay. She can't hurt you there.
Hey, darling.
Mom!
And I have more medication.
Why are you so happy?
Oh, right. Look. Pretty smart, huh? Take a pack of tablets and empty it out. Fill the pockets with candy. Then apply edible glue to the pack. Make sure you go around all the edges. Place a strip of aluminum foil on top. No one would ever know. Time for your medicine.
Yummy!
And one for Mommy. What an interesting article. I wonder who that is. Hi. A parcel? Thanks. Oh, it's Gina's birthday present. It's a fancy box. I hope she likes it. The look on her face will be amazing. It's a pretty cup. Everyone will be jealous. She'll treasure it forever. I'm so good at picking presents. I'll have a quick look. Oh no! It's broken! This is a disaster! What will I do? I'm sorry, Gina. I never meant to hurt you. No! No!
This is the best birthday ever! Puppets are fun!
Oh no. She's coming! Maybe she won't notice. Come on. This is so stressful. Just stick together, please! The last piece. Okay. It's looking better.
I'm bored with this.
I need more time! I'll hide it under this cushion.
Hey, Daddy!
Think. Do something. Anything!
Oh wow! A present! I wonder what it is.
Well, I thought that, you see.
This is so exciting! Wait. Daddy? I love it! Bubble wrap! I don't need this poppet! Whee! This is so much fun! Thanks, Daddy!
Happy birthday, sweetheart. Phew. I'll get rid of this later. When you're a parent, you'll try anything to make your little one happy. What's your go-to tip for an easy life? Let us know in the comments below. Remember to share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun videos like this one.